everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and I'm so glad that you're joining me today because I am making Koolaid Sherbet. This is so delicious. I'm excited to share this recipe with you. And just a quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'm sharing recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So if you hit that little notification bell, you will know as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe. And also give me a big thumbs up. Let me know that you like my videos. All right, this Koolaid Sherbet is so delicious. I used to make this a lot when my kids were little. It's actually been a while since I have made this. And it is just 3 ingredients. You just have your milk, sugar, and then a package of Kool-Aid mix. And the fun thing about this is you can use any flavor Kool-Aid that you like. You can even make several batches of different flavors and kind of have a rainbow sherbet. My favorite is the orange because it tastes like that orange push-up or like an orange dreamsicle. It is so delicious. You will be amazed. So let me go over how to put this together. I'm super excited to share this with you, so let's get started. Okay, 1 cup of sugar, and then 1 package of your Kool-Aid mix. And then 3 cups of milk. And then just stir until that sugar is dissolved. Okay, so once your sugar is dissolved, then I'm going to cover this and I'm going to put this in my freezer for about 2 hours, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so my Kool-Aid Sherbet has been in the freezer for 2 hours. Now I'm just going to take a hand mixer and I'm going to kind of blend this together. Okay, now I'm just going to place this back into the freezer for another couple hours. Okay, so my Kool-Aid Sherbet has been in the freezer for another couple hours, and I'm going to do just another quick blend with the hand mixer. All right, so now I'm going to put it back into the freezer until it freezes solid, and then I'm ready to scoop it out and serve it. Okay, so I have placed my sherbet into a smaller container, and now I'm going to scoop it and put it into this pretty little dish. So let me show you. What do you think? Let's taste it and see. This is so good. I'm so excited that you came over. Owen came to visit and he helped Pops weed eat. So since it's so hot out, I thought this would be perfect to have some of this delicious Kool-Aid Sherbet. Do you like it?
It's good.
You know, I used to make this for your mommy when she was little. I did. It's really good. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.